Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with TechOut. As you guys know, I have the 2013 MacBook Pro here, which has the 4 USB-C ports on it. So a company recently got in contact with me and asked me if I wanted to try out their USB-C hub that has a bunch of different ports on it. So I obviously said yes, because I've been looking for one of these ever since I got my MacBook Pro. Amazon taped it inside the package. So this is the Pioneer. I'm assuming it is the same Pioneer that you see stereos and everything from, because the logo looks the same and it has the same name. I do have the Apple USB-C hub which has the USB-A on it, HDMI, and another USB-C port so you can plug in your charger. So I have that one from Apple, and I do use that one because I do plug in USB devices to my MacBook. This one you do get a little bit more. So it does have a USB-C port for charging, so it accepts power. Let me focus that real quick so you can see it. So it has charging. You plug it into the notebook there. It's got an HDMI, and then it's got 2 USB Type A's and an SD card slot. So you can plug your monitor in, you can plug your USB devices in, all that kind of stuff in one hub. You can get one of these and leave it on your desk and plug all your stuff into it, and then only have to plug in one cable, which is really nice. Take the plastic off, so it looks pretty nice. It looks like there's a little light there so you can tell when it's plugged in. So you have your USB-C right here, which is basically just for charging. If you have more than one port, obviously you don't need to connect your charger to this, but you still can. And you have your SD card slot and your USB, it looks like USB 3, I'm assuming it is going to be USB 3 since it's USB-C. It does not specify though, it just says USB. And then you have your HDMI right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug it in. It's got a little protector on the side there. Just going to go ahead and plug it into my MacBook here, and we'll see what happens. Yep, so we have a little blue indicator light right there. I will just grab, I don't have any USB devices to plug in nearby. I have this right here though. This is just the USB Ethernet adapter that I unboxed a while back. So I'm just going to plug that in right there. Let's see, unlock it, and let's see. Go to network. Yep, and let's see, it's not recognized yet. Sometimes it takes a second to show up, so it may not be this specifically, but not connected yet. Let me try a different device real quick and we'll see. Sorry, I keep hitting the tripod. Let me grab something else real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I know you can't see the screen all too well, but I just want to do a little update here. I did get it to work. There is a driver for using USB Ethernet. Or I don't know if some of these that they make, the models have Ethernet directly on them, but there is a driver on their website. And I started installing that, and I noticed my SD card reader on here started working, and the USB Ethernet adapter I have also started working. So I don't know if the driver I downloaded made it work, or it just took a second for the computer to recognize everything and then started working, but both ports, both USB are now working with the adapter, and the SD card slot is now working, as well as the USB-C port on here also charges the computer. Just in like the 5 minutes it was that I had the computer plugged in looking for the driver, I was able to go from 91 to 94%. So it does do power delivery pretty well. I know some of these adapters don't accept the full amount of power that the MacBook charger puts out, therefore it doesn't charge and the computer will actually lose power. Doesn't seem to be the case here. Just with light internet browsing, normal use of the computer, I'm not editing videos or anything on it, but light use of the computer, it definitely charges perfectly fine. So again, I will leave a link down in the description to Amazon for this product if you guys want to check it out and purchase one for yourself. This has been Colin with TechOut. As always, don't forget to rate, comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.